Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a productive day in my life while at home vlog for you guys. I also have a clip at the end of a weekly planner that I designed and showing you guys how I quickly designed it as well. So to start off, I was making myself some coffee. Today I decided to jump on that bandwagon and try and make the Dalgona coffee that I've seen a lot of people make recently. Mine did not go as planned, as it didn't turn out to the same kind of texture and consistency it was supposed to. I'll insert a photo of what it was supposed to look like, but anyways, I still used it and put it with some milk and ice and made myself a creamy iced coffee. It was still yummy, just not what I was expecting. And then I went upstairs to grab my laptop. This is just one of the Surface Pros. I think mine's pretty old, so from a while ago. But I was basically looking for inspo because I was trying to create a thumbnail for my video posted recently on my tote bag. Here's me trying to get the thumbnail picture earlier that day. So basically I was taking pictures from that and trying to edit into a thumbnail. If you guys want to see how I make my thumbnails, I'd be happy to create a video on it as well. I had a lot of fun making the thumbnail for this one. Also, feel free to check out my tote bag video that I put up earlier this week. That was the thumbnail that I was designing. So once I was done working on my thumbnail, I then went to my website. There I have a blog that I sometimes post blog posts mainly on sustainability or fun things you can do at home to create less waste or reuse things. So I thought the tote bag video was kind of relevant, as I think tote bags are great because if you go and use them more often, then when you go shopping you don't need to use plastic bags because tote bags are fairly spacey. So if you guys want to see my blog, you guys can check out my website. I'll leave a little link here or below in the description box for you guys as well. Next, I have a little haul for you guys. I did already open these, but they just arrived today from Amazon. I ordered 3 headbands, mainly for the pearl one because I saw an influencer I like who was wearing one. I'll insert a photo here. And I also loved the green one because it had the little bees on it as well. The braided one was a little too thick, but I mean, I'm sure I'll find good use for it still. I also got some sunglasses. I believe the reason I ordered these is because they looked like Vaselin sunglasses. I don't really know my designers, to be completely honest, but I'll link what I thought these looked like. They're kind of like a dupe. And they're actually pretty good quality considering how affordable all these items were. So those just showed up today, and I really like that it came with a case and glasses cleaner as well. So yeah, that's my mini little haul for you guys. And this is me actually wearing one of them today. So as you can see, they're quite thick headbands, as the pearl one and the green one were actually the thinner ones compared to the braided headband. But yeah, I quite enjoyed wearing it for the day, and I love wearing headbands because it keeps my hair out of my face. And then I went on to water my plants, or I guess I should say plant. We don't have a lot of plants at home, but I love to give them some care and attention as well. And this one's doing especially well. It looks like, you know, spring's here, but if you look outside, there's still snow. And then I went on to my physics course. So recently, I believe the website's called Coursera, but I'll leave a link as well. This isn't sponsored or anything, but I've been taking a free physics course on there just because I've had the spare time to be taking a free course, and I thought I might as well learn something new. And then this is my weekly planner. So I was going to show you guys how I created this. This is a great way to stay on top of everything. I believe this planner also monitors my water intake because I'm someone who forgets to drink water. But anyways, I go into Procreate, as you guys can see here. I create my little squares of main to-dos, my week or my days broken up during the week, and then I add the colors and all the extra things like the water intake glasses, all the things like that. So I had a lot of fun creating this. But yeah, if you guys have an iPad or anything like that, you can just use your pen and your iPad and the program Procreate and draw yourself a planner just like this. It's very easy and simple. And then I go ahead and insert the weekly planner into one of my favorite apps at the moment called GoodNotes. I believe the app is like $10 or so in Canadian dollars. But yeah, I really enjoy this app. You can take lots of notes on it and continue it. So I like to put my planners in here and then take my notes and change them as the week progresses. And obviously cross off all the things I get done. Then I took myself for a nice long walk as it was a beautiful day and had a really relaxing evening.